Camera controls available on the Genie 2 Pan Tilt, Genie II Linear, Genie Mini 2, and the Genie Micro via the latest Syrp App update. You can use the Syrp app to remotely control your camera's exposure settings, trigger the shutter, or start and stop a video recording. Camera control is only possible when using a USB cable between your camera and the Syrp device, and it is only available on certain cameras. Click the link above to see if your camera is compatible. The icon is found on the bottom right-hand corner of each available mode depending on the device you are using. ISO, aperture, and shutter speed are all adjustable directly from the camera control interface on the Syrp app. You must manually select the proper photo or video mode on your camera before starting your recording. In modes like time-lapse simple setup, panorama, turntable, and stop motion, you can change the exposure settings and trigger the camera shutter. Camera control can also be used during a recording, such as changing the exposure on your camera from the app during the course of a time-lapse, in order to ramp exposure when the light is changing. Camera control also supports different exposure program modes like aperture priority and shutter priority. For video features such as keyframing or live control, you can adjust exposure settings and start and stop a video recording. If the proper shooting mode is not manually set on the camera, the record button and shutter button will be both grayed out.